Hi, how to add Metahumans in Unreal Engine 5.5. We click Add button and select Add Cursor Content. Stay here. We select Metahuman preset. Okay, we select this character. And this character I have downloaded before. If you want to choose another one, you need to click download. Okay, we add this character now. Okay, we hit and import, select, add face mesh, import. In our scene, you can see have something means missing project setting. Okay, we just click this button. And now we need to restart now. Okay, we come back. All the same, missing program, we hit enable missing. Restart now. In our scene, we can see our Metahuman is here. And drag it to our scene. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.